friends, welcome back to Sun9 Education channel. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the CTET Child Development and Pedagogy, some important questions. Okay friends, let us start the questions. Question number 1. The book Hereditary Genius was written by. The book Hereditary Genius was written by A. Galton, B. Gordon, C. Freeman, D. Dugdale. The book Hereditary Genius was written by Sir Francis Galton. Sir Francis Galton was the hereditarist. He support the hereditary. The development will be occurred through development through heredity only. He believes that development will be done through heredity only. So he made experiments and wrote the book Hereditary Genius. Is a very important book. So the answer is A. Galton. Sir Francis Galton. Next question number 2. Who made research on Darwin, Galton, Wedgwood families? Who made research on Darwin, Galton, Wedgwood families? A. Carl Pearson, B. Dugdale, C. Winship, D. Max. The answer is Carl Pearson. Carl Pearson made a research on the Darwin, Galton, Wedgwood families and he used the statistics method to analyze this research. Okay, and so the answer is A. Carl Pearson. Next question number 3. Sir Francis Galton observed the famous persons' families and included the results in the following book. Once again, I am repeating the question. Sir Francis Galton observed the famous persons' families and includes the results in the following book. A. Hereditary Genius, B. English Men of Science and Their Nature, C. The Jukes, D. Educational Determinism. So, here the answer is Hereditary Genius. No, sorry. Here the answer is English Men of Science and Their Nature. English Men of Science and Their Nature is the right answer. So he also wrote the book Hereditary Genius, but here the answer is English Men of Science and Their Nature. Book, fourth question, the book The Jukes was written by A. Dugdale, B. Pearson, C. Watson, D. Winship. So here the answer is Dugdale. Dugdale wrote a book, The Jukes. He made observation or research on Jukes family. So that's why the answer is Dugdale. Question number 5. Who made the research on Cullycock's family? Who made the research on Cullycock's family? A. Henry Goddard, B. Galton, C. Freeman, D. Pearson. Okay, the answer is A. Henry Goddard. Henry Goddard made a research on Martin Cullycock's family. So the answer is A. Question number 6. Who made research on Edward's family? Once again repeating the question. Who made research on Edward's family? A. Goddard, B. E. Winship, C. Freeman, D. Newman. So answer is E. Winship. Winship was made a research on Edward's family. So answer is B. Number 7. The book Educational Determinism was written by. The book Educational Determinism was written by A. W.C. Bagley, B. Galton, C. Pearson, D. Goddard. So answer is W.C. Bagley. Education Determinism was written by W.C. Bagley. Question number 8. The following scientists made observation on sailors and gypsy children. A. Pearson, B. Gordon, C. Freeman, D. Watson. So here Gordon is the right answer. Gordon made an experiment on gypsy children and sailors. So when compared to the adults' IQ compared to gypsy children and sailors, adults have more IQ. So by his research, he found that one. Okay, so answer is Gordon. 19th question. Who made research on identical twins? Who made research on 19 identical twins? A. Galton, B. Gordon, C. Newman, Freeman, Holzinger, D. None of the above. So here the answer is Newman, Freeman, Holzinger. They made experiment on identical twins. So the answer is Newman, Freeman, Holzinger. So the C is the right answer. Question number 10. The below scientists made research on Mildred and Ruth twins. The below scientists made research on Mildred and Ruth twins. A. Newman, B. Freeman, C. Sorensen, D. Holzinger. The answer is C. Sorensen. Sorensen made a research on Mildred Ruth twins. Sorensen. Sorensen means here the C is the right answer. The question number 11. Father of behaviorism is A. J.P. Watson, B. Sorensen, C. Thorndike, D. Pavlov. So, father of behaviorism is J.B. Watson. Answer is A. Question number 12. Give me a dozen of healthy individuals, irrespective of their heredity traits. I will make them doctors, engineers, teachers, clergymen, and still, if you need, make them dacoits and thieves. This statement was given by A. J.B. Watson, B. Newman, C. Freeman, D. Michael. So here the answer is J.B. Watson. He made a statement that give me a dozen of healthy individual irrespective of their hereditary and traits. I will make them as a doctors, lawyers, engineers, nurses, and if you need, I will make them as a dacoits. So it's a very important question. So the answer is A. J.B. Watson. Question number 13. The word adolescence is A. Latin word, B. Greek word, C. French word, D. German word. Is a Latin word. Adolescence is an English word which is derived from adultery. Adultery is a Latin word. So answer is A. 14. Adolescere means A. Maturation, B. To grow up, C. To stood, D. Stress. To grow up. To grow up or mature. Maturation or to grow up. Okay. So the answer is to grow up. Answer is to grow up. That is B. Question number 15. Who said adolescence is the age of stress and strain? A. Sorensen. B. Stanley Hall. C. Freeman. D. Woodworth. B. Stanley Hall. Stanley Hall is a child psychologist. He told that the adolescence is the stress and strain age. So the answer is Stanley Hall. Here the answer is Stanley Hall. That means B is the right answer.